Hey, I'm Rory.
Oh, Connie.
Rayleigh.
And we are the Dog's Mouth Collective. Today we are playing Feeding Frenzy because Rayleigh has been playing Hungry Shark, and it reminded me of this game that I have never played.
Oh.
And it was just eating fish.
I used to play games like this all the time on your computer, and then it would give you viruses.
It's true.
It's true. Yeah, I played like almost this exact same game.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Hell yeah, get those little fish.
I gotta get them fish. Gotta get them.
Are we getting in?
game
Okay,
made?
we're about to get a little bit.
I don't know. I didn't bother looking.
I see.
Yeah. You gotta,
I'm early 2000s. Maybe late 90s.
Can we go higher? Oh no! Now the big boys are coming in.
I'm gonna teach him.
Mouth.
That guy's so creepy. He looks like an old man.
He's too big. He's too big.
That was decent. Oh, I don't like that.
Look at our eyes.
She might have said that. Depending on the situation and the size of the big.
Yeah. Frenzy.
It wants.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're unstoppable.
Hell yeah, we are.
Get another one. The two big boys.
Big boys.
Oh shit, he ran away.
Yeah, you better run.
Come back here. Oh,
Can we eat
eat
that
it,
thing?
eat
Yeah.
it, eat the mermaid.
Yeah. Give it to me. She's shitting starfish.
A red pea fig.
What do you guys want to give it a shot?
Yes.
All right.
Just
Black
continue.
pearls range from
Yes.
gray to black.
You're on end
Some
game.
also may
Oh.
contain shades of blue, green, yellow,
Shut up.
and purple. I was reading a fun fact, you ass.
Fill the
I
frenzy
read
meter
microwaves.
for stuff.
Okay.
Yes, shithead. Yummy.
I eat
Those
it.
fish are yummy.
Eat the little boys.
Eat your little boy.
Little boys.
Can't eat my mouth.
Here, boy.
I want to subscribe to boy culture.
It's my culture. Ugh.
Mm.
Are we only eating these little men?
They're
I
the
have seen
most
no other
yummy,
fish.
and also all that's available.
Oh.
I ate them all. That's right. I
You
did it.
did it.
You got some money in the food bank.
Where?
I don't know what that means.
Oh.
I don't know what it means either. Like I said, I've never played this game before.
Was it my turn?
Yes, do it.
Play
Connie.
game.
Get your fish eat on.
Starfish bubbles don't help it grow, but they will stop points. Plus, they won't bite. Okay. Oh, I'm playing a big boy level.
Oh, eat that starfish. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
Oh my God!
I didn't know! Oh, my starfish.
We were just slurped up.
I didn't know.
I hate that son of a bitch. I hate him.
I didn't know.
We were slurped up like soup. We're not soup, we're fish.
I'm soup. I'm your soupy boy.
Try to bite his little hole.
I can't. If I bite that hole, I'm gonna get eaten.
Yeah, you don't want to get eaten.
I don't want my holes eaten either.
Lay off my fish.
Lay off my holes.
Yeah. Yeah, get him.
Oh,
Yeah, you son of a bitch.
Oh, shit!
Oh,
Oh, shit!
That is a learning disabled shark. Watch his ass.
I wish I was yummy.
Do it, you can grow.
Yeah.
Why does this say frenzy at the top?
Because if we fill up the frenzy meter, we get additional points and stuff.
I ain't risking ammo.
I think you can.
You're
No,
nasty.
you can't. You can't.
Get him!
Yeah!
Take that, you nasty buttfish.
Finally, it's my time. Your kisses. Kisses. Come on, baby. Give me a kiss. Yeah. That's right, baby. I'm gonna kill a fish. Your turn.
And we have some food bank.
Watch me see the tide pearlfish and lives in oysters. Ooh, they sneak out and feed, and they can eat them sea cucumbers. Eat them guts. I'm so bored.
That fish gets up in them guts.
Oh!
Ow.
I
Fish
don't
dash
like
attack.
it.
Just
I
like
want to eat
each
them
other.
pearls.
Yeah, boy, yummy. Oh, look at the pearl.
Yeah!
There's the pearl. What do you do with the pearls again?
You eat them.
Oh, there's no pearl in there right now. Get it.
Yumalicious.
Yes!
Beautiful.
Yes! Uh.
I don't think you have to worry about the stars so much. Just try and like. eat those
Well, the
fish and-
stars don't. The
get a
stars.
pearl.
Oh!
I don't like that. Ooh, black
Whoa.
pearl.
Yeah!
Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh shit! We got
Okay, I
these
ain't
red
that regular,
ones.
but this guy's mine. Mine. That guy thought he was so great because he was eating a fish while I ate his ass. I am the fish god of eating ass.
Oh, he angry.
Ah!
Get. Oh shit, there's nothing. That makes me upset.
Can you get like clamped in there?
Probably.
Probably. Everything else eats your ass. Mine!
Kiss for you.
I'll
Love this.
eat your ass.
Pearl. Oh, you got a little slap. Maybe he's into it.
Oh.
Yeah.
We've earned the rank of shark bait.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
They'll catch.
Yeah, you press A and you will dash that ass.
Oh shit, they got even littler boys. Geek. Don't forget to get those pearls, and the black pearls make you go big. 8-drop. 1-up.
No!
I didn't know that's what would
Bitch,
happen.
I got chomped.
Maybe
At least you got the 1-up. And then, I mean, you lost it, but, you know.
black pearl.
Same thing happened to me.
That
Except
was too
my
late.
ass got eated.
Yummy.
Pearl.
I want one. Oh,
Get it.
thank goodness I didn't get chomped on that
I
time.
know, that guy was trying to bite your ass. I seen him. Yeah!
That's beautiful.
I know I am.
Yeah.
I want to get bigger.
Give
me that.
About becoming potatoes.
That's
Yeah,
right.
get him! Get him!
I eat you.
What do you mean, becoming potatoes?
Like you are a straight up potato. No, like there's nothing else to you except you're a potato. So that's something I really want.
Like to literally be a potato.
Like I genuinely think that.
Like planted in the ground potato,
Yeah,
or like a
and
mashed potato.
maybe it depends on your luck as a potato. Like,
Ah.
well, like what if someone pulls you up out of the ground, or you become a mashed potato. You know.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was a good bite chomp.
That's
I don't know. I can think of a lot of things I might be interested in being. I don't think I've ever thought potato.
yeah.
Oh, I'm so I can't get in there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Your soul's so delicious.
Oh, you've been chomping souls?
That's what you eat.
Every day, all day.
Here, I was eating ass. You've been eating souls.
Black Rose range from Greater Black. Some also make it tasty and booky. Yeah, I already said that.
Alright, I guess you need to weigh in, Rayleigh. Have you thought about possibly being a potato?
Now I have, and in my mind, I'm laying on the couch as a couch potato, but
Right.
then I just turn into a giant potato, and
Yes.
I morph
Pale.
into one with the couch, and I'm just couch potato.
I wish I was potato.
What about like a classic Mr. Potato Head where you just insert like the eyes and stuff into the
Ooh.
actual potato?
I would like to be that.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god!
It's me.
Tail bite.
Oh!
I'm disappointed in everything.
I think I would be more interested in being. No, I don't know. I guess I do not have an interest in being a potato.
Yeah, I like to be able to draw.
I literally missed it.
Oh shit!
You're so close to being dead.
It's how I do, baby. Get in my mouth. Oh, dick's in my ass.
Oh.
Bite that shit. I didn't for some fucking reason.
Oh no, I thought you were biting that ass.
You can go up to his tail and bite his butt. Oh,
I don't know how Rayleigh was doing it, but she was eating souls.
bit that ass.
Yeah.
But it seems like you and I are only eating
And I
ass.
give them little kisses. Mwah, mwah.
You're eating ass and giving
bite ass.
kisses.
Bite that ass.
Oh, he tried to be screwy with you.
Yeah, he trying to eat my ass.
Black Pearl!
Where you at?
Ooh.
Oh
That
shit.
son of a bitch!
Oh shit. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
I can deal with
The
that.
problem is like the little ones frighten me.
He ate the pearl.
Eat that ass. For extra points.
I eat ass for points on Fish Game.
I ask for points. You know, I'm desperate.
Hey! Oh!
Again?
I'm f***ing dead.
You've died 3 times.
Yeah. Does anyone else want to try this one? Honestly, I'm apparently a failure.
No, give it a shot. I mean, you're almost there.
I
Sort of.
mean, yeah, I
You're
guess I should just try
Like
and be more
quarter
careful.
of the way there.
I've been, I guess, a little too risky.
A quarter of the way?
I still bite that
Now
ass.
it's like a third of the way. Just watch them red dudes.
Only I just need to eat more of these big boys. And I'll get there.
You're just not ready for them red dudes yet.
I know. They put me in their mouth and I go, Howdy. I literally tried to swim down. Stop it!
I believe in you.
Okay, thank
You
you.
can't.
I
do
don't
it.
actually.
Thank
I think you're gonna fail.
Well, I'll just... You know, I smell some bullshit right now. F*** you. I got it. I got it.
did.
I believe in myself.
You can do it.
I mean, if that's what you feel like.
Eat that ass. Eat that ass. I thought we were gonna start like a chant.
Eat that ass.
Eat
Eat
my
that ass.
Eat
that
ass.
Ass.
Eat the ass.
Oh,
It's
my
almost Red Boy time.
God, I can't.
Be eating all them Red Boy asses. You just gotta hang on a little bit longer.
Chompa chewy.
Get him! Yeah!
All y'all up.
I love your face.
Ass. No!
You can't eat that big
Yes, I
fish.
can. I can bite his asshole. Did you know that?
Ooh, delicious, yummy, yum boy.
You did it. I knew you could do it.
Well, if you bite his booty, you get some motherfucking points.
You do?
The air fryer really keep going, huh?
Yeah, it's going.
Okay. Compare.
It's almost patty time.
Eat that ass.